When people think of indoor plants, they usually think of decoration, a little green in the corner, a plant on the shelf, something to make a room feel alive. But indoor plants aren't decoration. They're biology operating inside architecture. They're living solar panels quietly converting light into growth. They're micro ecosystems sitting beside your couch. And if you understand them, they change how you experience your space. Indoor plants thrive not because they're indoor species, but because they tolerate controlled environments, stable temperatures, limited airflow, filtered light, containers instead of open soil. Some indoor plants evolved in tropical understories. That's why they handle indirect light so well. They were designed to live beneath bigger trees. Your living room? That's just a jungle floor with Wi-Fi. Light is the first rule of indoor plants. Most people underestimate how much light matters. Bright indirect light is the sweet spot for many houseplants. Too little and growth slows. Too much direct sun and leaves scorch. Think of light like fuel. The plant isn't being dramatic, it's just managing energy. Water is the second rule. Overwatering is the most common mistake with indoor plants. Roots need oxygen just as much as moisture. Soil that stays wet suffocates them. If you've ever said, "I don't know what happened, it was fine last week," there's a good chance water was involved. Drainage holes matter, soil structure matters, airflow matters. Indoor plants are systems, and systems respond to patterns. Historically, humans have grown plants indoors for centuries, from Roman atriums to Victorian conservatories. Indoor gardening isn't new. What's new is scale. Urban living is expanding, apartments are shrinking. But the human need for connection to living systems hasn't disappeared. In fact, research shows indoor plants can reduce stress, improve focus, and even increase productivity. There's something grounding about caring for a living thing that operates on natural rhythms instead of digital notifications. From a business and agriculture perspective, indoor plant culture has exploded. Houseplant markets have grown globally. Smart grow lights, self-watering systems, AI plant apps, innovation is meeting biology. And this is where things get easier. Instead of guessing what your plant is or how to care for it, tools like RootJoy.app help you identify indoor plants instantly, understand their growth stage, and receive care guidance tailored to your environment. That removes the biggest barrier, uncertainty. Because most indoor plant failures don't happen from lack of effort. They happen from lack of clarity. Indoor plants aren't about perfection, they're about observation. Small adjustments, learning how light shifts across your room, noticing when soil dries, watching leaves signal stress before it becomes damage. And here's something subtle but powerful. When you care for indoor plants, you start thinking long-term again. You think in weeks, not minutes. Seasons, not scrolls. So whether you're starting with a pothose or building an indoor jungle, structure matters. You can explore detailed guides, plant profiles, and personalized care systems at RootJoy.app, designed to help indoor plants thrive without guesswork. Because indoor plants aren't just decor, they're proof that life adapts. And sometimes the most powerful growth happens quietly inside your own four walls.